In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo reconciliation in Zoho Books with ease and confidence. Let's get started by navigating to the banking module of Zoho Books, an essential first step when working with financial tasks. You'll want to look at the left sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. You'll notice a tab clearly labeled Banking. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your gateway to managing your bank transactions and ensuring that everything is up to date. Once you're in the banking module, you'll need to select the specific bank account for which you want to undo a previous reconciliation. Carefully identify and choose the account that pertains to the reconciliation issue you are aiming to resolve. This ensures that you are working with the correct set of transactions, avoiding any mix-ups, and maintaining the integrity of your financial records. After selecting the relevant bank account, your next step is to access the Reconcile account page. This is where all the action is going to take place. To do that, look towards the top right corner of your screen until you find the gear icon. It usually looks like a small cog or gear and serves as a settings shortcut in Zoho Books. A quick click on this icon will open a drop-down menu specifically designed to help you manage your bank accounts effectively. From this menu, you are to select the option that says Reconcile Account. This will take you to the section where all reconciliations are recorded and managed. Now that you're on the Reconcile account page, the list of all past reconciliations associated with the selected bank account should be visible to you. What you need to do is locate the specific reconciliation period you wish to undo. Take your time to ensure you are choosing the correct period by hovering over it. You'll notice how hovering brings interactive elements to light, allowing for seamless navigation. Once you've found the reconciliation you want to undo, it's time to take action. Next to this selected reconciliation, there is a More drop-down, usually represented by 3 small dots. Clicking on these dots unveils a series of options tailored for managing your reconciliations. From this list, you will see the option Undo Reconciliation. Selecting this option will initiate the process. However, Zoho Books, prioritizing user verification to prevent unintended changes, will present you with a confirmation pop-up. It's a simple yet crucial step that asks if you really intend to proceed with this reversal. Read through the message carefully, and if you're certain this is what you want to do, click on Proceed to finalize the action. And there you have it. You've successfully undone a reconciliation in Zoho Books, allowing you to make necessary adjustments and keep your accounts accurate and up to date. Thanks for following along with today's video, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on navigating your way through Zoho Books.